Well, I figured I'd do a little Christmas update on the Willys truck. See, I got the frame all blasted, painted, and motor is inside of it now. But you can see I have a little issue with fitment of the grill, which all my sheet metal came off a 4-cylinder, so I think I'm gonna have to take like probably 5 inches, cut it right there, and make a flange so my radiator fit, because that is no good. But new mounts, oh yeah, brake lines, drive shafts are all in, painted up nice, got transfer case mounted, that's all in there. So yeah, rear drive shaft's looking pretty good. New shocks, which I'm really liking that blue color with the silver. Kind of looks cool, but got all the crossover lines in there. I'm going to replace that guy there because she's a little, that's the only one the guys before didn't replace because I know they did all the wheel cylinders, so I got that one coming. So I need to do parking brake yet. They're all out of stock, so I got to wait on that guy. And yeah, on the engine, not sure if this was here last time, but new plugs and wires and all that fun stuff. Rebuild ignition. Yep, she's coming along anyways. Yeah, I took and finished off my alternator mount. So got this nice arm here I cut on the CNC. So that's all in place and it seems to work fine. Well, she jammed up the bottom of her. There she goes. So, seems to make the arc pretty good. And, well, my card ran out of battery, so there's the rest of it. Got a VH44, and that's the vacuum brake booster, so that goes to a vacuum canister and then into your vacuum pump that's on these engines, because they got a pump for the wipers as well. Got a nice little expansion coil, so when the engine floats a little bit, it's not going to crack these guys. So this is kind of a little bit more in motion. Hopefully that stops all that. Brand new master cylinder. And then, yeah, the pedals, which I know a lot of us kind of struggle with those being sloppy. But down in here, even after I replace the bushings, these guys would probably move over a good inch one way to the other. So I did some thinking and some looking, and I saw this piece of 1-inch pipe and a piece of all thread that goes all the way through. I'm not sure you're gonna see that too good. All the way through to tension it sideways. That way there, it takes up most of the slack. So now this is wife's truck, so she ain't gonna like that if those are moving left and right. But I mean, you still get a little bit on it, but she is pretty snug. So everything seems to function on this end. Clutch is still engaging, so that was a neat little fix. And as it wears out, you can torque it down a little bit. So yeah, there's that. So here's a shot from back. Recess is in there. Yeah. Hopefully the wife will like it for Christmas. Couldn't think of anything else, so she is on her way.